In this lesson, we will learn that how we can summarize a Word document with GPT-4o. So we got the 4o version and it's for free. So here is the button you need to click on to add your Word document first. So I'll click. Let's say the following is a doc and I don't know what it is having. So I just need to analyze it. Let's say open. Analyze the above Word document. Generate some key insights. Okay, it is about Bootstrap. Okay, so in this way guys, we can easily work around GPT-4. You can see we have reached the limit. Okay, thank you for watching the video.